Now we are going to perform a complete test of one of our EBS modules. First, we will make all the necessary connections to prepare the module for testing. For the CAN and power supply connection, we will use this specific cable. I am observing from above to make sure the connection is correct. Here, I am connecting the connector to the appropriate port carefully. Then, I connect it to the communication port of the Orion device to ensure proper data flow. Next, we will focus on the hose and air connections. First, I connect the module's air inlet. I attach it to the air connections located at the top of the module. Then, I connect output 22 of the HVD to the HVD's input port. Following that, I make the connection for output 21 and attach it to the HVD's second input port. Now I connect the HVD's output 11 to the EVD's third input. The module's output 21 is connected to the HVD's fourth input. With all these connections completed, the module is fully prepared for testing. I then navigate to the Device Test section and click on the EBS Measurement section. Here, we select the appropriate module for testing. In this case, I have selected module K00224. The repair kit is also available here for any adjustments if needed. The installation information remains the same as before, and you can also track it from this section. Basic information, such as technical specifications, the number of sensors, and other important data are available for review. Next, I click on the Automatic Test function. At the top, the data displayed are coming directly from the module. On the right side, in the Segments section, additional data from the module are shown. This includes the voltages and pressures for both the first and second channels. We also monitor the first channel pressure, the second channel pressure, the right and left speed sensors for both channels, and the main tank pressure. Additionally, the proportional pressure output that will be applied to the module is displayed here for reference. At the bottom of the screen, the sections labeled IN1, IN2, IN3, and IN4 correspond to the sensors connected to the module's outputs 21, 22, 11, and 12. These values are read by the HVD. The readings from the HVD will be compared with the data coming from the CAN system to verify accuracy. We also have testing modes displayed at the bottom of the screen. The first mode applies between 3 and 6 bar to the module and measures the feedback. The second mode applies 2, 5, and 8 bar, and again, the feedback is measured carefully. When we click Prepare, the system sets up the scenario according to the selected mode. Then, when we click Start, the scenario is executed automatically. I select our desired mode and click Prepare. Yes, the air connection is now completed. The module is fully loaded with air, reaching approximately 8 bar. When I click Start, the communication begins immediately. At this point, 2 bar is applied, and the pressures from the channels along with the readings from the HVD are displayed on the CAN system.
Şu an işler uygulandı.
8 bar is applied, and our test is complete. You can also follow the scenario from here. Step by step, the test results are displayed here. That's all for our test.